Hey guys, what's up? One second. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be playing. I can't remember what this even is. I can't even remember what it's called. Yes. So this is a very open map. I'm bored. I have no idea what the freak those things are. The thing that I just killed. I don't know what those. Did a cop really just destroy somebody's property? I shall never give you paint, cop. You can never get me alive, copper down. You can even find me. No, you get back. No! Dang it. No, I'm going this way. You have no idea where I went. Kermit the Frog here. And today, I'm going to be doing a video. I don't know what to. Wait. Oh crap. You can never get me alive, copper. Just no. Naruto. I can't get out of this. Ninja! Naruto. Oh, crap. Ninja Naruto. Ninja, go! Crap. Now I have to do more. I did not mean to watch that video. Hey, next map. Ew. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's a superpower thing. I've never gotten this before. I have no idea what. No! I've never gotten before. I have no idea what it does. Come on. Yes. I'm so close. 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 Okay, I'm just. Okay, I'll be back in a second because I'm trying to get a car that I want. See you in a second. I can get it, guys. Okay. No, I don't. Yay! Okay. Say hi, kitty. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's so pretty! Oh god. Oh, no.
What?
Oh my. This is awesome. Did you guys see that? I turned into a tank. Total tank. Now I'm just big. Okay. Okay, but guys, my idea of this episode was pretty much to get that. Peace. I'm out. That was weird. What happened to my hair?